Bring it, bitch.
It's a half-hour show.
It's a fucking 3-pound test. Oh, it's a northern. Nice northern. Oh, that. I think it's a northern. It might be a huge fucking walleye, too.
Say it could be a walleye.
Just take your time.
Somebody ready to scoop their hands in there?
Bert's
Bob's
got his
there.
bare hand.
It's a big fish, whatever. I think it's a walleye, guys.
If it's a walleye, that'd be
It's a
nice. I'd rather it be a walleye than a northern.
It was hard to. It looked like the head of a northern, but it did look like the coloring. It looked like the coloring of a walleye. I can't get it up out of this
Just
hole,
take
so I only
your
got
time.
4-pound test on here.
I know, but you got all day.
No, it's
It's ready. It's a northern.
It's a northern. That sucks.
Oh,
Nice northern.
not bad.
Get him.
Oh!
Oh,
It's
no.
okay. It's
Careful.
okay. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it.
That's a good northern. That's an eater.
Get the gill.
You know if you want me down there. Me?
Did he pull that much line out of your hand?
I'm on
Yeah, me did.
4-pound
You want me
test
down there,
here,
Bob?
What you doing?
Catching an northern.
What's taking you so long?
What's going on?
Okay, oh,
It's decent.
Yeah, it's not bad at all.
it's gotta be
Too bad.
25
Jerry!
Nice.
Hell yeah!
Oh my god.
That's
On your tip down.
Hey!
man.
All right.
Nice
Yeah.
deal.
He's a tank. Doesn't have the length, but he's a tank.
That's a thicker than fuck fish.